Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you now to connect your Meta wallet to your Gemgala and withdraw. So without this step, you'll not be able to withdraw the earns that you have from your Gemgala. To earn on Gemgala, you need to play mini games, join chat and party room, receive virtual gifts, complete daily tasks, and also invite friends through your referral link or code. Now, in order to be able to create your Meta wallet, the first step you have to take is to open your app this way. So this is the home page of my app. The next is to click on this gym option here. So you're going to see my wallets. You're going to see the gym balance and the coin balance. So just click on your gym balance. So from here, you click on the withdraw option. So right here, you click on the Meta wallet option here. So you just enter the email that you want to connect to your Meta wallet. You just click on the next option here. So a code will be sent to that Gmail account. So you just go to your Gmail, you know, to copy the code and paste it back. So I'm just going to copy my code. So head straight to my Gemgala and paste the code. Click on the next option. So from here, you're going to enter your country. If this is not your country, you change it and enter your right country. Now you are going to set your password that you use to access your Meta wallet. So the next thing is to click on authorize here. Gemgala needs to acquire the following information of your Meta account. So they're just going to bond it and see, because as you can see, mine is successful. I just have to click on the confirm. So from here, you can see that the minimum amount I can withdraw from my Gemgala is $10. So if you want to increase it, you just click on your Meta wallet account. So from here, you're going to see that we have the basic level, which is $50. We have the semi-verified level, which is $5,000 and above. We have the fully verified level, which is $10,000 and above. So if you want it to be this basic level, you click on it. So all you have to do here is to enter your details the way it is in your BVN. So you just enter your details. After entering your details here, you're going to click on continue filling and submit. So right here, you confirm your date of birth and then your address. You enter your address. As you can see, I was able to complete mine. You can enter your passport. You just select a particular passport of your choice from your gallery. Now click on submit. So I was able to upgrade my withdrawal level from $10 to $5,000. So guys, that is it. If you want to continue, you can still continue to upgrade yours to fully verified. So I'm just going to stop in semi-verified level. So instead of withdrawing $10, I'll be able to withdraw $5,000 from now henceforth on Gemgala. So guys, that is it on how to connect your Meta wallet and withdraw on Gemgala. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.